Here is a question for today. We have to factorize the following. Before we start, we need to remember the sum of cubes, which is equal to a cubed plus b cubed equals to bracket a plus b bracket a squared minus ab plus b squared. So we need to know how to apply that formula into this question. Let's open the bracket first and turn everything into something to the cube. So we need to put 3x and 4y squared into those brackets. So how do we get the bracket inside? We can look into the cube root of 27x cubed, turn into cube root of 3 to the cube, x to the cube, which is equal to cube root of bracket 3x bracket to the cube. Now we can cancel those 3, then the result is 3x. This is how we get the front bracket. Let's try for the second one, which is the cube root of 64y to the 6. Turn into cube root of 4 to the 3 and y2 to the 3. Then we can rearrange it into the cube root of bracket 4y to the square bracket to the cube. So cancel those 3, we get 4y to the square. This is how we get the second bracket. So try to remember how to simplify the cube root. Now let's try to think 3x as a and 4y squared as b, and try to apply the formula, which is equal to 3x plus 4y squared bracket 3x to the square minus 3x times by 4y squared plus 4y squared to the square. Simplify the following, then we get bracket 3x plus 4y squared bracket 9x squared minus 12xy squared plus 16y to the 4. So this is the fully factorized result for today's question.